Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Last video we did some collectible hunting. We didn't do that one. We did this little pocket dimension here, which was kind of fun. We got some more rare titanium, but I can't get this one because I can't even get on that island. I don't know how to get on that island. I can't get this one because it's off the map. It's very weird. It's on a giant cliff over here, which you can't get to from down here. You can't get to it from over here either. There's still a space there that has not been discovered. I wonder why. Alright, well, we're going to go on a spaceship. We're going to go for a spaceship ride. See what's happening here. Come on, give me the prompt here. Where is it? Let's see what happens. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchki? Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor finds us too.
Okay, so now we can fast travel on our ship too. Well, that's nice. So we can go back to Nefarious City. We can go to the outpost, and I guess we'll go here.
Feeling good about this one.
A new map. That looks pretty bizarre.
What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
Look for Zerky in the gastropub. Okay, the gastropub. I guess we can go down the stairs. Yeah, here we go.
So, this is Zerky's Gastropub in Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction?
Okay, this is a pretty small area, isn't it? Alright, well, let's see what's here. Bunch of stuff here, though. There's 5 armor parts, 3 bolts, and 2... I don't know what those other things are. Oh! No, we got armor, bolts, and... I don't know what the other 2 things are. And there's a gold bolt that's not too far away from us.
The Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet...
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
There's a gold bolt over here somewhere, right? I just walked over it. Is that a different level? There's a level down there. I don't really want to jump down there though, because that doesn't look safe. I guess I could go down there. Let's see. Yeah, it says it's right there. It doesn't say it's down below anywhere. Is that the gastropub or whatever it is? Let's see. This whole thing looks dangerous. It's all platforms. And I'm not really good at staying on platforms, so... See, this thing says the bolt is right here. Like I'm right on top of it. See, is that my ship over there? No, my ship is... I don't know where it is. Up there. Here's my ship. Okay. So I got a railing here. This thing is just flying out in outer space. Okay, yeah, that's death. Okay, don't know where the bolt is. Suppose it could be down there on that level. It's not up above anywhere. Oh, there it is. I see it glowing down there. What do you? How do you suppose you're going to get that? How do you suppose you're going to get that? I suppose I could do a death jump. Can I do a death jump and then fly over there and get it? Try it, huh? Jump off. Yeah, that didn't work. Yep, I don't know. I don't know how you're supposed to get that.
So, this is Zerky's Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet...
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Okay, so that bolt is underneath the platform. Okay, I guess I need to get something else in this game besides that. Sorry. Sorry guys, I took all your stuff. There might be another, I don't know, another thing I can get that's gonna help me fly. There must be something that's gonna help me fly, because that looks impossible to get. Where am I going? Oh, all the way to the end here. Okay, well, let's look around here first, see what's over here. Oh, this is a...
Mort's limeade recipe's slowly coming along.
Okay, we got another thing here. Let's look at this real quick. Oh, that looks like trouble.
Looks like those hover pads are on the fritz.
Yeah, that looks like trouble. Let's just take this and run. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's happening there. I'm supposed to kind of run across that and get across to the other side. Okay, I don't think so. Not yet. I'm not brave enough for that. Alright, let's go back. We know it's there. It's all that counts.
She jumped up and walloped that secret piece so hard, the whole darn thing came crashing down.
Is that the Morts?
Ah, and then she picked up that little
These guys, I love got Canadian accents. That's funny as hell. I'm going up there, I guess. Sorry, dude. Get out of the way. Ah, here's my girlfriend. Looks like there's a little thing right there. Raritanium. Is that... Can I take that? I can. Sorry, got your Raritanium. Alright, we're going up here. Oh, that must take you into the bar, eh? Looks like it. There's some more Raritanium over here somewhere. Where is it? Or is it inside there? Oh, here it is. Okay, so that helps. Alright, so I guess we're going in. I guess we're going in here.
Do you spend much time here?
Yeah, this place is kind of a safe haven for the Resistance. I hope the Emperor didn't find that out too.
Can I get through? Guess I can.
Welcome to Xerxes, your newly intradimensional gastropub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Xerxes, where we slaughter with a smile.
What do I gotta do? So he took all my weapons? Yeah. Okay, so we are disarmed. So, okay, so I don't know what's gonna happen in here.
Zerky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
The bar. Where's the bar? I still probably have my hammer. What's this going on over here? Oh, an arena.
The battle arena.
The universe seems even more unstable, unfortunately.
Okay.
No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well, well, well. We meet again, my wee Jay.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafayette. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violent spree zone. Taken outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
Alright,
There's a
we gotta
console
go
on that
here.
big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
I have to do 5 battles? Oh my god.
We'll have to sign up to take out those pirates. Don't worry, I'll win you that part.
Defeat Pierre's crew.
So this...
Ah!
Welcome, my names, to Zircon Jr.'s Slaughterplex. Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain, the carnage? Tonight,
I got my weapons back.
we'll fight the traitorous pirates out just one
Oh dear. Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena? The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Ah, yes! Tearing through the fabric of space-time! A true pirate signature!
Do I get my ammo back? Yes, so. I get refilled.
would have won by now!
Uh-oh.
Gotta be more careful.
Oh, I got me? That sucks.
You and your sassy back would put on more of a show! Give up now! I got a ricochet!
No. Oh. Stole.
Enjoys that one.
What is going on?
injury going forward.
I'm trying to.
Oh! Il! Sacré bleu! Oh! I have sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François?
The pitiful Pierre has turned in his partner, who is beautiful Ratchet.
I am a boss! It is a honorable discharge!
Seems, large.
Why am I surprised that Pierre's running from a fight? Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre.
Just because he's been horribly beaten does not mean you will win! Stand still and say goodbye!
Best to avoid hits like that.
Firing volley! I'm gonna enjoy an
nuts. I'm running out of ammo of everything here. What do we got left? I guess I got some here, eh?
Bombs ahoy!
Run!
Almost killed that one!
Ah, jeez. Oh, out of ammo again. Okay, what do we got left? I got nothing left. I got this thing left here, eh?
I almost feel sorry for you.
Under the who now? Rhythm emerges victorious from the ravages of battle. Cheer me. Cheer.
They put you in an arena fight.
Eh?
Okay.
Yeet? But ow! Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your part.
Okay.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be careful out there.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing. Nice work back there. Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up.
I'm thinking not. Not ready for another battle. Anyway, let's call the video right here, and we'll find out what the next adventure is. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.